Pakisabi po sa katabi, na-reject ka na ba? Yan. Did you experience rejection? Rejection is a painful experience of not being accepted, not being acknowledged, and not being loved. It is very painful because people do not recognize, do not accept, do not love you. That's why rejection is a painful experience. But whether we like it or not, we all experience or we will experience rejection. Halimbawa, nung siking siguro nanliligaw, ni-reject siya nung nililigawan niya, ayoko sa'yo, ang pangit mo. O kaya naman, yung iba po sa atin, nung pagkatapos nating mag-aral, we are applying for a job, and na-reject po tayo. O kaya meron po tayong kapamilya na hindi tayo tanggap, hindi tayo pinakikinggan, parang non-existent tayo. Ang tawag po doon sa mga millennial ngayon ay nonchalant ka lang, wala akong pakialam sa'yo. Kung titingnan po natin ang Ebanghelyo, even Jesus experienced rejection. Rejection, yes, it is painful, but in rejection, two things will happen to us. If we take seriously rejection, we will become persons or people full of anger, resentment, and vengeance. And it will harden our hearts. Sabi namin po nitang metong kanta, magiyang bato, ingke kang puso, pusong bato. Ayaw mo nang magmahal dahil marireject ka. Ayaw mo nang mag-try ulit dahil hindi ka naman tatanggapin. Ayaw mo nang mag-continue dahil wala din namang kabuluhan, wala ding saysay ang mangyayari sa iyo. Yan ang unang pwedeng mangyari pag hindi natin hinandle properly rejection. But secondly, if we will handle rejection like Jesus, rejection will make us more strong. Rejection will make us more grounded. Rejection will help us realize that we are not perfect. We are finite beings. We tend to commit mistakes, to commit sins. Ibig sabihin, rejection can either break us down or make us more strong. Pangalawa, isang detalye din sa ating Ebanghelyo, sabi ni Jesus, that He will experience great suffering. Without the cross, there is no Christianity, there is no salvation. At pag tayo nahihirapan, nararanasan natin na buhay tayo, tao tayong may pakiramdam. Ano ngayon ang mabuting balita para sa atin? If people will reject us, if people do not appreciate us, if people around us do not acknowledge and love us, let us be reminded that even though we are not perfect, even though we commit mistakes, despite of our imperfection and sinfulness, God will never reject us. God will never abandon us. For God will always be with us. Tanggihan ka man ng mundo, hindi ka man tanggapin ng mundo, hindi ka man mahalin ng mundo, tandaan mo, mahal ka ng Diyos. Tanggap ka niya sa kabila ng iyong kakulangan, ng iyong kasalanan, ng iyong pagkatao, anuman ang meron ka, anuman ikaw. That Jesus will always accept us and embrace us despite of our imperfection, sinfulness, despite of who we are and what we have. Rejections are inevitable. Dadanasin natin yan. Pero nasa sa atin kung anong mangyayari sa atin. It can either break us down or rejection can make us more strong, grounded in the grace of God. In this Mass, let us also pray for those who experience rejection so that they will handle it correctly and with the grace of God, so that They will not be in the state of misery, anxiety, or depression. Naway tayong lahat, hindi man tayo tanggap ng mundo, tanggap naman tayo ng Panginoon. Amen.